Today, I drink coffee.
Today, I drink coffee.
Yesterday, I drank coffee.
Yesterday, I drank coffee.
Tomorrow, I will drink coffee.
Tomorrow, I will drink coffee.
Today, I write a letter.
Today, I write a letter.
Yesterday, I wrote a letter.
Yesterday, I wrote a letter.
Tomorrow, I will write a letter.
Tomorrow, I will write a letter.
Today, I run in the park.
Today, I run in the park.
Yesterday, I ran in the park.
Yesterday, I ran in the park.
Tomorrow, I will run in the park.
Tomorrow, I will run in the park.
Today, I read a book.
Today, I read a book.
Yesterday, I read a book.
Yesterday, I read a book.
Tomorrow, I will read a book.
Tomorrow, I will read a book.
Today, I sleep early.
Today, I sleep early.
Yesterday, I slept early.
Yesterday, I slept early.
Tomorrow, I will sleep early.
Tomorrow, I will sleep early.
Today, I drive to work.
Today, I drive to work.
Yesterday, I drove to work.
Yesterday, I drove to work.
Tomorrow, I will drive to work.
Tomorrow, I will drive to work.
Today, I buy some food.
Today, I buy some food.
Yesterday, I bought some food.
Yesterday, I bought some food.
Tomorrow, I will buy some food.
Tomorrow, I will buy some food.
Today, I call my friend.
Today, I call my friend.
Yesterday, I called my friend.
Yesterday, I called my friend.
Tomorrow, I will call my friend.
Tomorrow, I will call my friend.
Today, I clean my room.
Today, I clean my room.
Yesterday, I cleaned my room.
Yesterday, I cleaned my room.
Tomorrow, I will clean my room.
Tomorrow, I will clean my room.
Today, I make a cake.
Today, I make a cake.
Yesterday, I made a cake.
Yesterday, I made a cake.
Tomorrow, I will make a cake.
Tomorrow, I will make a cake.
Today, I send an email.
Today, I send an email.
Yesterday, I sent an email.
Yesterday, I sent an email.
Tomorrow, I will send an email.
Tomorrow, I will send an email.
Today, I listen to music.
Today, I listen to music.
Yesterday, I listened to music.
Yesterday, I listened to music.
Tomorrow, I will listen to music.
Tomorrow, I will listen to music.
Today, I cook dinner.
Today, I cooked dinner.
Yesterday, I cooked dinner.
Yesterday, I cooked dinner.
Tomorrow, I will cook dinner.
Tomorrow, I will cook dinner.
Today, I open the window.
Today, I opened the window.
Yesterday, I opened the window.
Yesterday, I opened the window.
Tomorrow, I will open the window.
Tomorrow, I will open the window.
Today, I wash the dishes.
Today, I wash the dishes.
Yesterday, I washed the dishes.
Yesterday, I washed the dishes.
Tomorrow, I will wash the dishes.
Tomorrow, I will wash the dishes.
Today, I draw a picture.
Today, I draw a picture.
Yesterday, I drew a picture.
Yesterday, I drew a picture.
Tomorrow, I will draw a picture.
Tomorrow, I will draw a picture.
Today, I help my mom.
Today, I help my mom.
Yesterday, I helped my mom.
Yesterday, I helped my mom.
Tomorrow, I will help my mom.
Tomorrow, I will help my mom.
Today, I fix my bike.
Today, I fix my bike.
Yesterday, I fixed my bike.
Yesterday, I fixed my bike.
Tomorrow, I will fix my bike.
Tomorrow, I will fix my bike.
Today, I cut my hair.
Today, I cut my hair.
Yesterday, I cut my hair.
Yesterday, I cut my hair.
Tomorrow, I will cut my hair.
Tomorrow, I will cut my hair.
Today, I dance at home.
Today, I dance at home.
Yesterday, I danced at home.
Yesterday, I danced at home.
Tomorrow, I will dance at home.
Tomorrow, I will dance at home.
Today, I laugh a lot.
Today, I laugh a lot.
Yesterday, I laughed a lot.
Yesterday, I laughed a lot.
Tomorrow, I will laugh a lot.
Tomorrow, I will laugh a lot.
Today, I cry a little.
Today, I cry a little.
Yesterday, I cried a little.
Yesterday, I cried a little.
Tomorrow, I will cry a little.
Tomorrow, I will cry a little.
Today, I find my keys.
Today, I find my keys.
Yesterday, I found my keys.
Yesterday, I found my keys.
Tomorrow, I will find my keys.
Tomorrow, I will find my keys.
Today, I lose my phone.
Today, I lose my phone.
Yesterday, I lost my phone.
Yesterday, I lost my phone.
Tomorrow, I will lose my phone.
Tomorrow, I will lose my phone.
Today, I teach English.
Today, I teach English.
Yesterday, I taught English.
Yesterday, I taught English.
Tomorrow, I will teach English.
Tomorrow, I will teach English.
Today, I learned something new.
Today, I learned something new.
Yesterday, I learned something new.
Yesterday, I learned something new.
Tomorrow, I will learn something new.
Tomorrow, I will learn something new.
Today, I travel to the city.
Today, I traveled to the city.
Yesterday, I traveled to the city.
Yesterday, I traveled to the city.
Tomorrow, I will travel to the city.
Tomorrow, I will travel to the city.
Today, I talked to my boss.
Today, I talked to my boss.
Yesterday, I talked to my boss.
Yesterday, I talked to my boss.
Tomorrow, I will talk to my boss.
Tomorrow, I will talk to my boss.
Today, I watch the news.
Today, I watch the news.
Yesterday, I watched the news.
Yesterday, I watched the news.
Tomorrow, I will watch the news.
Tomorrow, I will watch the news.
Today, I paint a wall.
Today, I paint a wall.
Yesterday, I painted a wall.
Yesterday, I painted a wall.
Tomorrow, I will paint a wall.
Tomorrow, I will paint a wall.
Today, I visit my grandma.
Today, I visit my grandma.
Yesterday, I visited my grandma.
Yesterday, I visited my grandma.
Tomorrow, I will visit my grandma.
Tomorrow, I will visit my grandma.
Today, I save some money.
Today, I save some money.
Yesterday, I saved some money.
Yesterday, I saved some money.
Tomorrow, I will save some money.
Tomorrow, I will save some money.
Today, I spend $10.
Today, I spend $10.
Yesterday, I spent $10.
Yesterday, I spent $10.
Tomorrow, I will spend $10.
Tomorrow, I will spend $10.
Today, I sing a song.
Today, I sing a song.
Yesterday, I sang a song.
Yesterday, I sang a song.
Tomorrow, I will sing a song.
Tomorrow, I will sing a song.
Today, I win a game.
Today, I win a game.
Yesterday, I won a game.
Yesterday, I won a game.
Tomorrow, I will win a game.
Tomorrow, I will win a game.
Today, I choose a dress.
Today, I choose a dress.
Yesterday, I chose a dress.
Yesterday, I chose a dress.
Tomorrow, I will choose a dress.
Tomorrow, I will choose a dress.
Today, I break a glass.
Today, I break a glass.
Yesterday, I broke a glass.
Yesterday, I broke a glass.
Tomorrow, I will break a glass.
Tomorrow, I will break a glass.
Today, I send a message.
Today, I send a message.
Yesterday, I sent a message.
Yesterday, I sent a message.
Tomorrow, I will send a message.
Tomorrow, I will send a message.
Today, I plant a tree.
Today, I plant a tree.
Yesterday, I planted a tree.
Yesterday, I planted a tree.
Tomorrow, I will plant a tree.
Tomorrow, I will plant a tree.
Today, I walk to school.
Today, I walked to school.
Yesterday, I walked to school.
Yesterday, I walked to school.
Tomorrow, I will walk to school.
Tomorrow, I will walk to school.
Today, I carry a box.
Today, I carry a box.
Yesterday, I carried a box.
Yesterday, I carried a box.
Tomorrow, I will carry a box.
Tomorrow, I will carry a box.
Today, I throw the ball.
Today, I throw the ball.
Yesterday, I threw the ball.
Yesterday, I threw the ball.
Tomorrow, I will throw the ball.
Tomorrow, I will throw the ball.
Today, I build a house.
Today, I build a house.
Yesterday, I built a house.
Yesterday, I built a house.
Tomorrow, I will build a house.
Tomorrow, I will build a house.
Today, I check my phone.
Today, I check my phone.
Yesterday, I checked my phone.
Yesterday, I checked my phone.
Tomorrow, I will check my phone.
Tomorrow, I will check my phone.
Today, I borrow a book.
Today, I borrow a book.
Yesterday, I borrowed a book.
Yesterday, I borrowed a book.
Tomorrow, I will borrow a book.
Tomorrow, I will borrow a book.
Today, I returned the book.
Today, I returned the book.
Yesterday, I returned the book.
Yesterday, I returned the book.
Tomorrow, I will return the book.
Tomorrow, I will return the book.
Today, I forget the answer.
Today, I forget the answer.
Yesterday, I forgot the answer.
Yesterday, I forgot the answer.
Tomorrow, I will forget the answer.
Tomorrow, I will forget the answer.
Today, I invite my friend.
Today, I invite my friend.
Yesterday, I invited my friend.
Yesterday, I invited my friend.
Tomorrow, I will invite my friend.
Tomorrow, I will invite my friend.
Today, I wait for the bus.
Today, I wait for the bus.
Yesterday, I waited for the bus.
Yesterday, I waited for the bus.
Tomorrow, I will wait for the bus.
Tomorrow, I will wait for the bus.
Today, I join a class.
Today, I join a class.
Yesterday, I joined a class.
Yesterday, I joined a class.
Tomorrow, I will join a class.
Tomorrow, I will join a class.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. Want to see your comment featured in the next video? Drop one below. I might just pick yours. See you next time.